What is going on, guys? In this video I'm going to be sharing with you the 2 best website where you can sell your gift card online. Don't forget, this is the series of Christmas Day vlog on the series on how to make money online before Christmas Day. This is the Vlogmas series, and this is the day 5 of all the series right now, and I'm sharing these 2 powerful websites with you where you can sell your gift card right now for cash. So before I get started with that right now, you already know I have to tell you to love this channel. Just click on the thumbs up button below right now to like this video so YouTube can show this video to more people out there. Make sure you click the share button also so you can share this video on all your social media platforms. Share it on your WhatsApp, share it on Facebook, share it on your Twitter account, man, so this video can go viral. And don't forget, you know I love it when you leave a comment down below any of my video. I love that mostly. I even love that more than you subscribing right now, but still at the same time, make sure you click the subscribe button to subscribe. So let's get started with this video right now. This is going to be short though. Just want to share these 2 website for you, and the number 1 website is called Gift Card. Gift Card is number 1 website. Gift Card is one of the most powerful websites where you can start selling your gift card online right now. It's as simple as ABC. Just go. I'm going to put it down beside me right now. I'll put it in the comments, in the description section below, so you can just go click on it and go visit it. Click Gift Card is the number 1 website. They have amazing offer. I think they're paying up to like 92% for the card. So Gift Card is a site that is paying you up to 92% worth of whatever card you brought to them, and they pay this money to you in as fast as possible, so you don't have to waste time, you don't have to delay and all that. So Gift Card, that's the number 1 website where you can sell your card right now. And the next website is called Card Cash. Card Cash also works like similar with the gift card website also. Just go check it up, check the site up right now, sign up on there, list your card right there, and they're gonna buy the card, they're gonna pay you, and they're gonna give you good offer with your card and all that. So these are the 2 sites where you can sell your gift card right now online and start earning money before Christmas right now. So guys, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below right now, and ask me whatever question you want to ask down below. Like this video, like I said, subscribe and share this video also, and it's as simple as that. I'll see you guys on the next one, man. Still remain your one and only 2 to the BLASS. 2 blessed, that's what they call me. Peace, and I'm out.